Hi, everybody. I'm David Kohar, and welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong. Today, I am joined by Chris Cornett from Alloy Material Handling. Chris, first of all, thanks for joining the episode. Tell me a little bit about yourself and the organization, and how is all this stuff affecting you guys?
Yeah, hi, David. Thanks for having me on. So I'm with Alloy Materials Handling and Automation, and we are the parent company for Automated Cells and Equipment and Mainstream. We are a service provider and an equipment integrator for robots, conveyors, cranes, any type of general material handling equipment. We are an essential business and are servicing essential businesses such as Wegmans, Amazon, and UPS, and others in the distribution supply chain. Our biggest thing we've done lately is to make sure that our technicians and our employees and our customers are safe and healthy. So, ensuring our techs have access to the right PPE to be on site, making sure that we're not getting signatures from customers and doing anything where we have to have unnecessary touches, but we want to keep everybody safe and healthy, and we pushed out that message to our customers. We've also launched a 24/7 support process that ensures every customer can get us 24/7 and get a live person 24/7. So 24 hours a day, they'll have access to call in for service or whatever needs they might have and get a live person. So those are a few of the things that we're doing right now, David.
Yeah, those are good things to pass along. Interesting things you're doing. So anything that you would like to know from the rest of the manufacturing community about what they're doing that would be helpful for you?
Yeah, well, I'm very interested in knowing what types of platforms or what tools others are using in delivering virtual training. In the past, we gather our techs together, we gather our employees together for training. It's very important that we can be nimble and agile and deliver virtual training. And I'm just interested in what others are doing to adapt to that.
Yeah, makes sense. Big changes here. Last question for you. Anything that's been sort of silver lining or anything sort of humorous that's happened to you guys as you've made this pivot here in the last few weeks?
Yeah, so our marketing guru Shayna started this daily cheer last week, and it's really been a lot of fun. And one of last week's topics was everybody send in a picture of your pet. So everybody, I think 80% of the company must have sent in a picture of their pet, and we had just all kinds of funny pictures coming in, that different types of pets, and lots of fun. Keeps us connected in this virtual world we're in.
Yeah, I mean, anytime you need a good laugh, you always got to go to the pet pictures for sure. I get it. So listen, Chris, thanks for being on the episode. Appreciate the insight and advice that you've given, and thanks again.
Yeah, take care, David. It was great to be here.